Hi everyone, I'm Eddie, and I'm so excited to be here with you today to make a warm, delicious, and cozy winter drink. We're going to prepare a special recipe for hot apple cider with cinnamon, a perfect choice for those chilly winter days. The flavor and aroma of this drink will surely win you over. Ingredients you'll need for this amazing drink: 4 cups of natural apple cider, 1 fresh apple, diced into small chunks, 1 cinnamon stick or 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 2 to 3 cloves, 1 orange, sliced honey or sugar, optional to taste, a pinch of ground nutmeg for garnish. Now let's get to the preparation. Prep your ingredients. First, chop the fresh apple into small bite-sized chunks. Slice the orange into thin rings or half-moons for a vibrant and flavorful touch. Combine the ingredients. Pour the natural apple cider into a saucepan. Add the diced apples, cinnamon stick, cloves, and orange slices to the pan. Heat it up. Place the saucepan over a medium heat and let the mixture simmer gently for about 15 minutes. During this time, the apples will soften and the spices will infuse beautifully into the cider. Sweeten it. If you'd like your drink a bit sweeter, add honey or sugar to taste. Make sure to stir well until it's fully dissolved. Serve it up. Pour your warm, delicious cider into a mug or cup. For garnish, you can add some softened apple chunks or a slice of orange. Sprinkle a little nutmeg on top for that extra aroma and festive touch. Why is this drink so great? This drink is not only delicious and soothing, but also comes with plenty of benefits. Apples and cinnamon are packed with antioxidants that help boost your immune system. Cloves and nutmeg have anti-inflammatory properties, making this drink perfect for the cold season. And here's a friendly reminder: if you make this drink, don't forget to share it with your family or friends. Winter is all about staying warm and creating memorable moments with your loved ones. Also, don't forget to like, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more delicious recipes. I can't wait to hear from you. Cheers to your health.